Good morning, sir. My name is Robert Nino P. Viacrucis. To if this is my video exam. Question number 1. Senator Bato de la Rosa put forth a bill that would have made plunder punishable by death to penalize corrupt public officials should the Philippine government permit this to become law. Uh, for me is no. Corruption is indeed a grave since it destroys the nation, takes away resources meant for the poor, and violates the commandment of God. Exodus 20:15, you shall not steal. However, while corruption deserves strong punishment, the death penalty raises moral and spiritual question. Ezekiel 33:11, God says, I take no pleasure in the death of weak, but rather that they turn from their ways and lives. This verse shows that God's justice is balanced with mercy. He desires repentance, not destruction. Therefore, instead of imposing death, the government should strengthen justice and ensure that corrupt officials are held accountable. Question number 2. Should same-sex unions be made legal in our nation so that the LGBT community can have the freedom to be with whoever they choose to love? Justify your moral judgment on this matter. Ah, no, I do not agree the same-sex unions should be made legal in our country. If we legalize same-sex unions, the culture and tradition that have long been preserved in our society might be broken, and it's a mistake eye of God. In the Bible, Leviticus 18:22, thou shalt not lie with mankind as with womankind. It is abomination. Leviticus 20:13, if a man also lie with mankind as he lay with a woman, both of them he committed an abortion, this shall be upon them. While we should still respect the LGBT community as human being, our law should continue to protect and preserve the moral and cultural foundation of our nation.